If your body feels stiff, tight, or sore, this 15-minute daily stretch will fix that. No experience needed, just follow along. Welcome to your 15-minute full-body daily stretch flow. This routine is designed for beginners and all fitness levels to improve flexibility, reduce stiffness, and support recovery. Each exercise is 45 seconds. Move slowly, breathe deeply, and never force any position. You should feel gentle tension, not pain. Let's begin. Chin to chest. Interlace hands behind your head. Light support only. Inhale, lift your chest tall. Exhale, bring elbows slightly together, chin to chest. Inhale, breathe into your upper back. Exhale, roll down, nose toward upper chest. Inhale, create space. Exhale, deeper, forehead toward sternum. Inhale, exhale, deepen slightly, forehead toward belly. Move slow, no pulling, just gentle guidance and breath. Next, cat-cow stretch. Come onto all fours, hands directly under your shoulders, knees directly under your hips. On your inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest and tailbone. That's cow. On your exhale, round your spine toward the ceiling, tuck your chin and tailbone. That's cat. Move slowly. Initiate from your tailbone, not your neck. This is your spine waking up. Breathe through every repetition. Next, thread the needle, right side. Stay on all fours. Take your right arm and slide it along the floor underneath your left arm. Lower your right shoulder and right cheek toward the mat. You'll feel a deep stretch through your right upper back and shoulder. Keep your hips level. Left arm can stay on the floor or reach forward. Breathe into the stretch. Stay here for the full hold. Switching to the left side now. Bring your right hand back to the floor. Take your left arm and slide it underneath your right arm this time. Left shoulder and left cheek come toward the mat. Feel the stretch through your left upper back and rear shoulder. Keep your breathing steady. Hips stay level and square. Hold and breathe. Moving to warrior stretch, right side. Step your right foot forward into a lunge position. Lower your left knee to the floor if needed, or keep your back leg straight for more intensity. Shift your weight gently forward. Feel the stretch in the front of your left hip flexor. Keep your front knee stacked directly above your right ankle. Press your back heel away from you to deepen the stretch. Breathe steadily. Hold this position. Switching to the left side, step your left foot forward. Right knee comes to the floor. Shift your hips gently forward and down. Feel the stretch through the front of your right hip flexor. Chest stays lifted, shoulders back and relaxed. Press your back heel gently away from you. Breathe slowly, hold. stretch, right side. From a kneeling position, step your right foot slightly forward. Hinge at your hips, keep your back flat, and reach toward your right foot. You'll feel a stretch along the back of your right thigh. If you can't reach your foot, rest your hands on your thigh instead. Flex your right toes toward your shin to deepen the pull. Keep both hip bones level. Breathe through the hold. Quick, if this routine is helping your body feel better, do me one small favor. Hit subscribe below. New beginner-friendly workouts go up every single week. It takes 1 second, and it means a lot. Now let's keep going. Switching to the left hamstring. Step your left foot forward, hinge at your hips, and reach toward your left foot. Keep your back flat and both hip bones level throughout. Flex your left toes toward your shin. Feel the pull along the back of your left thigh. If you feel tightness behind the knee, soften the knee slightly. Breathe in, breathe out. Hold steady. Next, puppy pose. Come back to all fours. Walk your hands forward on the mat. Lower your chest toward the floor. Keep your hips stacked directly above your knees. You'll feel a stretch through your upper back, shoulders, and armpits. Do not collapse your lower back. Keep your core lightly engaged. Let your chest melt toward the floor with every exhale. Stay here. Breathe. Cobra Pose is next. Come down onto your belly. Place your palms flat on the floor beside your lower ribs. Press through your hands and slowly lift your chest. Keep your elbows slightly bent. Do not lock them out. Your hips and legs stay on the floor throughout. Feel the stretch through your abdominals and the front of your torso. Press your pubic bone gently into the mat. Breathe slowly. Hold. Next, child's pose. From Cobra, push back through your palms and sit back toward your heels. Reach both arms forward on the mat. Let your forehead rest on the floor. Feel your lower back gently releasing with every exhale. If your hips don't reach your heels, place a folded towel between them for support. Spread your knees slightly wider for a deeper hip opener. This is your reset. Breathe deeply. Lying figure 4, right side. Come onto your back. Bend both knees, feet flat on the floor. Cross your right ankle over your left knee, forming a figure 4 shape. Gently press your right knee away from your chest. For a deeper stretch, reach through and pull your left thigh toward you. Make sure to flex your right foot to protect your knee joint. Breathe slowly. Feel your outer hip and glute releasing. Switching to the left side, place your left ankle over your right knee. Gently press your left knee away from you. For more depth, pull your right thigh in toward your chest. Flex your left foot. Keep your head and shoulders relaxed on the floor. We're targeting your left piriformis and outer hip here. Breathe through the hold. Lying knee to chest. Stay on your back. Bring both knees toward your chest. Wrap your arms around your shins or hold the backs of your thighs, whichever is more comfortable. Gently rock side to side to massage your lower back. If you prefer, keep one leg straight for a unilateral version. Let your lower back completely relax into the floor. This is one of the best lower back releases in this routine. Breathe deeply. Hold. Butterfly stretch. Come to a seated position on the floor. Bring the soles of your feet together. Let your knees fall open to each side. Sit tall. Hold your feet and gently hinge forward from your hips. Feel the stretch through your inner thighs and groin. Do not round your back. Keep your spine long. Use your elbows gently against your inner thighs if you want a deeper opener. Breathe slowly. Hold and relax. Seated forward fold. This is our final stretch. Extend both legs straight out in front of you. Sit tall, then slowly hinge forward from your hips, not your waist. Reach toward your feet. Hold wherever you can comfortably reach. Feel the stretch through your hamstrings and along your lower back. Do not force it. Let each exhale carry you a little deeper naturally. Keep your spine long. Avoid rounding excessively. This is your final moment of stillness. Breathe through it. That is your 15-minute full-body stretch flow. Well done for showing up today. You've just moved through 16 stretches covering your entire body. For best results, repeat this routine 2 to 3 times per week. With consistency, you will feel more mobile, less stiff, and better overall within just a few weeks. If this helped you today, hit the like button. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly workouts every week. And drop a comment below letting me know how you feel. I'll see you in the next one.
Get strong, subscribe, and watch this next workout.